Hi guys, today we're doing the orange challenge versus water challenge and applesauce challenge. This is going to be so excited. We have applesauce, water, and oranges. So you have to see what you got and you have to guess what food you pick up, and you have to guess what it is. So after you ate it, you have to guess what it is. So let the game begin. So let's close the eat. Orange. I'm guessing that's orange because it tastes like orange and it tastes like orange. It's so sweet. Eat it. It's so sweet and a little sour, but I think it's not that much sour as candy. So let's do the next item. Can't hear the lid.
Put that lid on good before you lay it down, okay? Just a good. There we go.
So I'm guessing that's the water because it tastes like water, but you know that the water is very soft and it's so healthy, you know, and what does this say right here?
I'm not sure. I can't see from that far.
I'm not sure too.
Probably something about electrolytes.
Yeah. So there's one last time in the chat, and then we're about to say goodbye. That's applesauce. So later I'm gonna do a new video, and when we come back, we're gonna be having makeup out because we're doing the makeup challenge versus toy challenge, and it's gonna be so fun. I promise you could watch it at home. So please comment down below to see what is your favorite video. Bye!